Did you know you can make your own fresh and herbal diffuser blend? Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to turn essential oils into products you can use in your home every day. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a diffuser blend that makes you think of herbs drying from a rustic log cabin. Turn off your distractions, because making is healing. Let's make this Wild Herbs Diffuser Blend from Simply Earth right now. We at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to create with essential oils and natural ingredients. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials box, where along with this diffuser blend recipe, you can make five different natural, everyday essential themed recipes. Here's the catch. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe and more delivered right to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients you need for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Now I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essential box. To make this, here's what you're going to need. 3 drops of Focus Essential Oil, 2 drops of patchouli, 1 drop of rosemary, and 1 drop of basil. I love basil oil. And when you make a master blend, you will also need a 5 ml amber glass bottle. And you'll also need a diffuser. I got this succulent diffuser from Simply Earth. Let's get started. 3 drops of Focus, 2 drops of patchouli, 1 drop of rosemary, 1 drop of basil, and enjoy. It smells awesome. I love how this smells so much. I'm gonna make a master blend of it. For the master blend, I'm gonna add 43 drops of Focus, 28 drops of patchouli, 14 drops of rosemary, and 14 drops of basil. Swirl, and don't forget to label. Let's test it out. To use this blend, add the essential oils to your diffuser according to its instructions. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a picture and tag from Simply Earth and add hashtag I made this so that I can see it. You will automatically be entered into our hashtag I made this challenge, and you could win $5. How easy is that? See the details below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more natural recipes like this one, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.